For the first time since 2018, an impasse on federal spending is likely to shut down the government at midnight. The Congressional Budget Office estimates some 750,000 workers will be furloughed. CBS's congressional correspondent Caitlin Huey-Burns reports the impact will ripple across the U.S. economy.
The bill, upon reconsideration, is not passed.
The fight over government funding is now a staring contest, and neither side wants to blink.
There isn't anything here to negotiate. This is a routine funding resolution to keep the government open so that we can continue our appropriations work and fund the government in the old-fashioned way.
But Democrats are determined not to support any measure to fund the government unless it extends health care subsidies under the Affordable Care Act set to expire at the end of the year.
The American people are learning how bad this health care crisis is, and they will put tremendous heat on Republicans to solve it.
In a shutdown, national parks and museums will have to close. Social Security and veteran services could be delayed. TSA agents and air traffic controllers will continue to work, but without pay, likely leading to long lines and delays at airports across the country. And a shutdown could have an impact on the economy, too. The Congressional Budget Office estimates that roughly 750,000 federal employees could be furloughed, costing $400 million per day. And while furloughs are typical in a shutdown, the Trump administration has urged agencies to lay off some federal workers entirely.
A lot of good can come down from shutdowns. We can get rid of a lot of things that we didn't want.
Federal employees say they are fearing for their jobs. Molly Meunier is with the National Institutes of Health.
I am the primary breadwinner of my household, so we will be tightening belts. We will be eating down to the last bits of the freezer.
Now, members of the military and federal law enforcement will have to work without pay during a shutdown. But by constitutional law, Congress and the president, they will continue to draw paychecks, even in a shutdown, John.